To cover the video solution, guys, we're going to basically use two application types or solution types. One is around media spaces. Basically, we're referring to single rooms built for entertaining. And we'll also be talking about whole home AV distribution systems from, what would be just a few rooms to multiple zones. So we're going to use that as the basis and foundation for the conversation today and the highlight. As you guys look at this, if you're able to, I know some of you will be driving, so I'll try and explain it as you're driving and not able to see the screens. But we understand that no two projects that you're going to work on are exactly the same. They're close, but room layouts, source configurations, and switching needs as well as interfaces are going to vary from job to job. They just are. But the basics, the foundations are going to remain the same. So for example, in the image that we have up on the screen, you can see three common video options for a single room on the left-hand side. So we're calling those options 1, 2, and 3 around media spaces. That's basically a single display with multiple sources into it, or a single display with multiple sources into a receiver or an HDMI extender. Or perhaps in option number 3, which is a little bit more advanced, you're going to be dealing with a single room with multiple displays and multiple sources into a matrix switcher to create a video or an entertainment wall. On the right-hand side, what we call options 4 and 5 here, and there's more permutations than this, but these are the basics. We're talking about whole home possibilities, where in option 4, for example, you've got multiple rooms, multiple displays, and multiple sources into a matrix switcher and a stack of equipment, which is very traditional, very common. Most of you guys have either done these or seen these and worked on these, so those are very common. And if these look familiar to you, I want you guys to raise your hand or nod your head. And I can't see you guys, but I know that most of you guys are likely raising your hands right now. Now, option number 5 is grayed out a little bit, and the purpose for that is because we're going to be talking about that a little bit later. And in the presentation, we're going to cover number 5. So let's get into the meat of it.